Oxfordshire's arable heartland. As the deer enjoy their time in the fields, a new visitor comes into focus. It's a peregrine falcon. She roosts high on a telegraph pole, unfazed by the presence of red kites checking out her presence. She ignores a kestrel, scanning for voles nearby. Buzzards are also feeding young juveniles. The roe deer buck's mind, on the other hand, is about creating juveniles. At just over a metre wingspan, the peregrine is about number 7 on the league table of large raptors in the UK. And when the buzzard comes too close to the juveniles, she leaps into action. She's on a path to directly intercept the buzzard, and the invader is repelled. Looking at her leg, you can see a ring, and we believe that this is actually a bird that was ringed in Brighton in 2014. Green 66 and her 2 offspring were in our area for a week, with fantastic views of their incredible cream and brown plumage, with those fearsome talons and that steely stare. As the juveniles wheel and joust, this is much more than a game. This is practice for the peregrine's real superpower: hunting. When peregrines dive, they can achieve speeds of over 240 miles per hour, the fastest animal on Earth. Their teardrop shape and large breastbone helps them when diving at high speed. Even their nostrils are specially adapted to allow airflow without damaging their lungs. Their mother watches their progress through some summer drizzle. Life goes on, and the buck is still wooing the love of his life and checks the air, faintly aware of my presence. The buzzard family are waiting for food to return. Hares race. Their use of speed is to evade predators. After 3 hours roosting, the largest juvenile is ready for some food. When peregrines hunt, they have powerful, short, shallow wing beats. These short, quick strokes propel them through the air with agility and speed. She starts to climb. Peregrines will fly up to well over 3,000 feet until they see their quarry, and the stoop begins. If we slow it down, you can see how she folds in her wings to achieve the incredible acceleration to well over 200 miles per hour. If we slow it down 4 times, you can see how she swivels in mid-air, constantly adjusting and checking for a pinpoint attack. I couldn't see the kill, but one thing's for sure: their mother has taught them well. The skills she's given them and their incredible physical prowess will hold this family in good stead for the challenges of life ahead. The roebuck looks magnificent on the hillside, leaving me to contemplate my amazing experience with the peregrine falcons of Oxfordshire.